Hey friends, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be talking about if you should invest or you should trade on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So first of all, when we talk about Bitcoin, Bitcoin is one of the most popular coins to invest in. But it is not the only one that you can invest in. There are altcoins that provide great alternatives when buying cryptocurrency that can increase diversity of your portfolio. If you decide to only invest in Bitcoin, then if the market goes down, then you do lose a lot of money. But once you diversify into altcoins, then you will be able to give yourself more options in the long run. That is something that is quite good when we talk about diversifying your portfolio. But for most people, it depends on them if they choose to go with only one or they choose to go with different ones. But personally, my advice would be to go with different ones compared to going with just one. So, investing in Bitcoins and other cryptocurrency are great ways to diversify your investment. But you should also know that this involves high risk. This involves a lot of high risk because you have a lot of risks of losing your investment if the market does go down and fall down a lot. Then you lose the initial money that you put in, or you are not able to get up to what you projected for yourself initially. So, what's the difference between Bitcoin and altcoins, or which one should you choose? For most people that are coming into the cryptocurrency world, Bitcoin is definitely one of the most popular that everyone knows about. But altcoins are also quite good alternatives that you can get. So, most altcoins have their own blockchain, while others use pre-existing blockchains like Ethereum, for example. So it just depends on you making your research on whichever one you prefer to use and whichever one you think will move higher going forward. That just depends on you personally. This is something that a lot of people don't really do. They just watch the news or follow the market and decide to choose one or the other. But you do need to take a lot of time for you to be able to determine which one that you are going to use. So now let's talk about investment or trade. Okay? A decision on what to buy also needs to take into account if you are investing or you're trading. The two are easily confused, but they are not the same thing. But there is a difference between the both of them. Simply investing involves picking assets that you believe in and holding for a long period of time. So for investing, you're going to hold this for a longer period of time. It could be 2 to 3 years. It could be even longer than this for it to be able to produce a lot of money. But when we talk about trading, trading's aim is to make short, medium gains through regular buying and selling. So in terms of trading, you buy and you sell regularly. You don't hold on to whatever asset you buy or whatever cryptocurrency you buy for a long period of time. So between the both of them, you have to put into your mind is if you have a certain amount of money that you do not need at that particular time, then it's a good way for you to make money going through the investment route because you can put the money in and eventually down the line, be it a year or two, the money will eventually increase. That is depending on the market. But something when we talk about cryptocurrency trading or cryptocurrency investment is you should know that you should not put any money that you are not willing to lose at that particular time. So that's the end of this particular video. If you guys have any question, please leave it down in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys in the next one.